Hey guys, Chris here with crazy hair and a little bit of a cold. Bear with me. We're starting a new tutorial series called How to Make My Own AI Chatbot Agent, whatever. It's what you need. um, I'm doing this because there have been a couple of people on my Discord server and other Discord servers where I hang out that have seen AI Chris, Luna, and the rest of the ones that I used to have, and kept asking me, "Can you help me make my own?" So I'm doing this for them, and I'm doing this for you if you're one of those people. So yeah, before we begin, we're gonna need a few things, and I'm gonna show you right now what you will need. All right. So the first thing that you will need is the Python language. You have to download the Python language from the website. The next thing you will need is Ollama. Now, Ollama is my choice because I don't want to spend thousands of hours training uh, an empty transformer or an empty small program that tries to predict words. I tried it, and yeah, it wasn't fun. That's why I deleted everything. And now I'm using Ollama, but it's just for the easy part of it. Um, I prefer it because it's free, it's on my PC, it's adaptable, and I can add any features I want on it whenever I want. The final thing you will need is the cursor platform, and I say cursor because it's what I use, and I pay the subscription because I use it 24/7. Um, and I prefer Cursor to VS Studio because of its ability to actually execute the things it's telling me to do with the AI assistant. I don't have to do them manually myself. I just tell it, okay, put this here, and that'll be done. uh, the other thing that you will need is basically a friend to brainstorm your ideas with. Um, because if you keep everything in your head, then you're gonna explode, you're gonna get tired, and you're gonna stop putting effort into your AI chat or whatever. So yeah, Grok and ChatGPT, even though I prefer ChatGPT lately, um, it's a good way to have a conversation and to actually make your dream a reality. So yeah, I'll see you on the second part, which will be downloading Python, and yeah, we can keep going from there. Stay safe. Sub if you wanna be notified, and I'll see you soon. Adios.